Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 102 video on my Python series, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to read a file by using read method. So let's start. We have already seen how we can write inside a file, and in this video we are going to discuss how to read a file. So we can use Python inbuilt read method to read the file. So read method to read in size number of data. If size parameter is not specified, it reads and returns of the end of the file. So here read method takes one parameter called size. So here we can mention how much or how many quantity of characters you want to read. Suppose I have mentioned size equal to 10. It will read from starting to 10th position. It will pick up the 10 number of characters. So this method returns the bytes read in string. So it will return how many characters it has read from the string or from the file. Here you can use the size parameter. It will take size parameter to read the number of characters you want to read. So let us see with example how we can use the read method. See, so same with statement I will take to open the file, and I will use the same path. So here I have opened the file in read mode. For reading the file you must open it in read mode. So I can use file dot read. Let's see, here we are not getting any output. For that you need to store this read data inside another variable data, and if you are printing the data you will see. So if you are printing it, you will get the values inside it. Suppose you want to read till always 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, till 10 characters you want to read. So you can see it is giving me it's always. In read method you can mention how many number of characters you want to read from the file. So you can do also print file dot tell at what index my cursor is. My index is at position of 10. So by using the tell method you can get the cursor of the position. Here position of the cursor you can get by using the tell method. So friends, this is all about the read method. By using the read method you can read the contents inside the file, and you can also pass how many characters you want to read from the file inside the read method. So I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.